everyone, welcome back to TechnoArch. Today's video is on how we can change the size of selection tool in AutoCAD. For changing the size of selection tool, we will right click on AutoCAD screen and select option tab from last, or we can type OP enter on command line. Then the options dialog box appears. From the tabs below, click on selection tab. From that, we can see the pick box size and grip size boxes. Now we can adjust them as per our requirements. Now click apply and OK button. Thank you for watching.